Hi guys, my name now Queen and I day here on Hamebo I caught. Yes, so no be only me day here. Of course, I day here with
the Magalicious baby one.
Okay. Okay, well, what be the essence of this program? And I make una dey bring una kasala as it take be. We go dey give una, ideas where they contribute, make everything for go well. Yes, for now. And make we say they happy, say we don't put smile for our faces. And today topic what break up for this courts. And a person as the person break I call give us. She said her name na Rebecca. She can't write to us say wetin make she do. Wetin be the problem? She talk say
wahala don dey
if una hear herself una go know say
it go shock you when they outside there.
And from the whole thing no be her fault.
And true say no be her fault. Imagine how person go when siblings grow up in different way can't get to meet,
come marry,
may woman don't fall in love, man fall in love. You don't know say who you fall in love with, now your blood brother. Can't get to get married. You know how it takes. You do marriage. You don't dare rest say I don't settle.
No, they don't marry. They two not marry. The thing be say yes, so they two fell in love, but she no talk her. She say that get belle, they just they stay because yes, before she can't born 4 children. And so she talks say she can't born 4 children. No be the problem. The children herself, 4 of them they disabled. She say her children they disabled. Say the 4 children them born, they can't say make they even see family members now. Now they try the guy can't carry her go your own family member. It can't be say people ain't know the family before. Can't say hey na bad be this. So say you na this one
abomination.
Sister. They tell the guy draw and come this woman you carry come. Now your sister be this. Before you know, shout scatter everywhere. The can say, oh una too. Hey, you see why you're picking all una children they disabled. Now because say una be siblings. Say na incense be this. And for that community, they no like that kind of way happen. Say she can't carry her picking now. She can't go one place. Say the house where she dey safe. And one kind jaga house
we be say
now only she can't they take care of the 4 children. So before you know, NGO they can't help her, can't give her good life, give the children good life. But she say she still they miss the husband. Say wetin make she do. I don't bring her, can't give you wetin make she do.
Matter don't dey table now. I mean we just chook mouth inside the matter. If you ask me wetin make she do, I will say based on say where she come from, tradition they forbid am. But the last way around, tradition need to still look into say these 2 people now don't produce 4 children.
Now only the woman go take care of the children.
So if they can't see make they scatter, how the children won't take be? If tradition now can say make they no dey together, what about the life of this woman and the man? Because these days now, wetin dey keep person no far from person. And if them wey no get papa, no get mama, they can't make them now to look somehow, can't go kill themselves now. The children wey dey involved now, how they want to?
What if, another person they say, what if they carry the children, say them they disabled, carry them put for, some organization where you take care of the children and make them too can't find their own lives go. What do you think about that?
So, if the organization can't carry these children and them don't inherit the children. But we need to understand and go let we know where they go.
What if Moko look and like say, what if the organization carry these 4 children, the woman look for another person, marry, she gets another belle, born another children, then the man also look for another person marry, then get. Since why they talk this one because their tradition forbids this particular thing will happen. If na another part of the world where we say they no see incense as anything where brother and sister go marry, before just make them leave them. But right now their tradition forbid waiting there be. I be make them go another part of the world, another country.
That's a very good idea.
Go stay.
Some African country they will be say they accept this kind of thing. So what that same people wey wan help them, help them out, comot from where dem dey. Make dem go. Hence dey fit see, because now wey me and you dey talk now, we no know how close the two people be. That they fit same, they fit separate from each other. So if they no fit separate from each other, if people fit help them, because na help na im be the matter. If they fit help them, comot them from where they come from, and comot them from the place where they dey. Take them to where tradition wey accept and wey agree. Now wetin dey make you smile na im person dey go for.
Wetin dey make people smile na im dey go for. Okay, wow, you don sit down and talk o. But for me, I for talk say, make you can do anything. Change is constant. What if the man go die? She no go live.
Anyway, she go live.
What if the man die?
Even if the woman die,
the man go live. Nobody dey live without another. I say I can't live without you. Nah, lie be all those things. What if make dem carry the children go give organizations, yes, wey go take care of them? If possible, the man go send money, the woman too go send. Child, make dem dey do, make those children get life.
So make we say the children now go become orphan.
They'll not be off, but na circumstances. And again, because they fit take care of the children with their challenges. Because these children, they're disabled.
Yes.
You know? Because this thing go tire person. Right now, she's 37 years. Time go dey go. 4 disabled children. She no wan get another way they sound.
That one go make sense too.
She no wan get another one. You wait now. You know, Rebecca, you no wan get... See, it depends on you. We're going to advise you. But wait till you think for your own mind. For me, now talk we go talk. Now you know what you want to do. For me, I will tell you, say, carry those 4 children, go where they fit take care of them properly. Una don't do this mistake, una don't do them. Una no fit run away. Your family is your family. Where you come from now. So even if you go put yourself or where they accept that kind of thing, it still not be your family. It still not be, although we know say something happen, they abandon now from small. But waiting, buying person for where it come from. Go still buy, if you like go Europe, go everywhere. Don't you think so? As time goes on, una too go tire. The man go see another woman wey he like. Man tell you the truth. You can't remember, say, oh na my sister be that too. Na my sister be that. You go remember. Now that one you go come, you say, hey, I beg, don't tire. That's how we'll do that in a mistake. I don't even know say be my sister. Some things they will be saying, you know, fit just carry them out, but you guys think well.
Yes.
You guys think well, it's not easy to carry them out. For your mind and your face say, the love of my life. If you die, you don't go live. Only you come, they carry 4 disabled children, they walk up and down. You have advice to say, carry those children, go where they fit take proper care of them. You know, when they take proper care of them, you look for another person. Now, mistake be that. Yes, we know if you go kill those children. No. Look for another person. Start another life. Your brother to start your own life. Don't you think that way?
Rebecca, based on how my colleague talk, you need to think well. Carry those children. I really support and agree with that idea. You need to look for where to carry those children. Carry the children where say they fit take care of these
good care
children.
Of these children.
So if they take care of these children, you go need to begin another life. Forget wetin don happen, because in life things dey happen. Like this one wey happen now, you be no know.
If you die, your disabled children go still live.
And your brother be no know.
Ma tell you.
But just think am, say, what if I be know? And now we be say e come be say you no know. E dey very easy for you to begin dey fight this thing out. You fit dey let this thing dey go. Make you begin another life. Take a step. Just tell yourself, say, at this stage where you be now like this, I need to think and I need the courage to take a good decision. And the decision wey you go take, make it be the wise one. May not be the one be say tomorrow you go come dey say, why did I even start this? No, you don't make mistake. Nobody dey put blame on you. Nobody dey put blame on your sister. But na tradition, and based on say una separate from small, una can't get to meet. And meeting come be say una come fall in love, come begin dey produce these children. So start new life. Where you say you go look yourself, you go say yes. God, thank you. Finally, I still reach where I dey go.
You know, and again, what I want to advise you, even when you start new life, no forget your children.
Yes.
Now one, yes, because there are two things involved.
Now you
carry them. And secondly, ma tell you the sad reality. Ma tell you as it be. What if you no come get another children for where you go? You know, say this life, they think front, they think back. So no, as you keep them there, they go see them. They go see them so that they don't say na them mama be this. You go carry wetin you wan carry give them. You go spend time with them. Na the sacrifice wey you guys pay be that. Because if we dey look say you get another pikin and you no come get another pikin.
No, even if you get another pikin,
you still dey remember them.
Those children fit change from how you see them.
Yes.
Because nothing wey God no fit do. There fit be children wey go change tomorrow from the way wey you feel say you leave them there. Become person tomorrow wey go fit stick out to your life.
And again, for your children, where dem go dey, make sure say they try. Person they say person dey disabled, no be say no go fit do anything.
Why?
Maybe na only leg na im dey pain am. You know me say make you no start to dey draw. Fit dey draw portraits. Just dey look for, or maybe they say he blind. He go dey sing. If they sing, they be good musicians. So make wetin they wan become for life.
Blind people dey sing.
No, I didn't know now, because we also say, oh, maybe they dey disabled, we should come forget them. Make themselves try to look at their abilities, their positive side. Make sure say you dey pull mouth, no leave your pikin for person say okay, oh, they're not disabled, now to dey carry them go beg, or now to dey do one thing. Come up for there. Me, I'll tell you, say leave them, just dey come visit them, and at the same time start a new life somewhere. Okay, we don't come to the end of this particular topic. Mona, they bring more news, more things where they worry now will bring out for this table, and everybody go happy last. We dey say bye from this angle.